And now see these steps. First the sustainer goes, then the prechopper goes in, and next the prechopper engages into the soft part of the nucleus just in front of the main node. Now the sustainer goes towards the opposite equator. The opposite equator is hooked. Now the two instruments are brought to each other and lateral separation is done. And see these steps in slow motion. Prechopper goes in, engages in the soft part, the sustainer goes in this way, hooks the equator, the two instruments are brought to each other. The front cutting edge of the prechopper is sharp, and you can divide the nucleus into two heminuclei.